Welcome to week 4 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a easy bow with ribbon. So for this I'm choosing a blue color yarn. To start with, you can start from the magic ring. So first you should create a magic ring, and this is how it looks like. So once you are done with here, you can start with the chain stitches of left side. So here you can put 5 chain stitches, followed by 4 triple crochets into the magic ring. So for triple crochet you should do 2 yarn over and then insert into the loop and pull out as 2 loops for 3 times. So once you are done with the 4 triple crochets, now you can do 4 chain stitches and connect this to the magic ring with a single crochet. So once you are done till here, you can pull the tail end a bit so that you can see the shape here. Now you can do 6 chain stitches now. So 6 chain stitches. Now 2 more has your turning chain. So here the ribbon will have 6 chain. Now the 2 is your turning chain. So total 8 chains, followed by double crochet into the 6th stitch. Now into the 5th stitch you can do half double, then in 4th stitch single crochet, third stitch also single crochet, second single crochet, and in your first stitch as well single crochet. So it's coming in descending order. Now once you are completed till this end, you can start the ribbon for the other end. To start that, you should connect this with a single crochet to the loop. Now you can do the 6 chain stitches for ribbon and 2 chain stitches for the double crochet you are going to do in your 6th stitch. Now followed by half double and 4 single crochets. Now your 2 ribbons are ready. Now you can go for the other side of your bow. Before starting your chain stitches, you can connect this with a slip stitch to the magic ring so that it'll look stiff. Now you can continue doing 4 chain stitches as shown in this figure, followed by 4 triple crochets. Now you're into this closing part. So again 5 chain stitches. And connect this to the magic ring using a slip stitch. Now pull some yarn as much as you want. Now hold this center part and pull the tail end to close this. So once you pull this off, leave the tail end to the back side. So once you got your required shape, now turn to the back side and cut the working yarn. Now tie the beginning and the tail end part together. Make a knot, tight knot so that it won't slip off. Now the excess part can be hidden using a needle, or I'm just going to use another needle size. So this is one size down. Using this, I can just drag this on the other side. So cut this excess on. Your easy motif is ready now. So with this loop, you can use this as a charm as well. Thank you for watching.